This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 26, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 2.48 points or 0.62% to 404.52. Total trade volume was down with 44,852 shares changing hands at a total value of 266 million real or approximately $66,330. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market was the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, up 1.49% or 200 real to 13,600 real per share, followed by Akleda Bank, which was up 1.43% or 100 real to 7,080 real per share. Other stocks up were Cam GSM, Grand Twins International, and the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority. Only one stock was down on the other hand. Pestec Cambodia dropped 1.63% or 40 real to 2,420 real per share. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, Sihanouk Village Autonomous Port, and MJQ Education remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land dropped 0.29% or 10 real to 3,420 real per share, while DBD Engineering stayed flat. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 28,099 shares changing hands at a total value of 198 million real or around $49,400, roughly 63% of total shares traded on December 26th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, however with a significant gap from the highest, with only 6,397 shares changing hands at a total value of 39.5 million real or a little over $9,800, approximately 14% of Thursday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,018 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 108.20. Looking at global commodities, oil edged higher on Thursday in thin holiday trade driven by hopes for additional fiscal stimulus in China, the world's biggest oil importer, and supported by an industry report showing a decline in U.S. crude inventories. According to a report from Reuters, Chinese authorities have agreed to issue 3 trillion yuan or $411 billion worth of special treasury bonds next year as Beijing ramps up fiscal stimulus to revive a faltering economy. Brent crude futures rose 39 cents or 0.5% to $73.97 a barrel. Gold rose in light holiday trading boosted by safe haven demand due to geopolitical tensions, with investors eyeing the U.S. Federal Reserve's 2025 rate strategy and Donald Trump's tariff policies, which could shape the outlook for the metal. Spot gold was up 0.4% at $2,623.82 per ounce. Bullion has risen 27% this year and is set for its best performance since 2010, driven by Fed rate cuts and heightened geopolitical uncertainties. Asian shares were mostly higher Thursday in thin post-Christmas holiday trading. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures for the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were 0.2% lower after markets were closed. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei 225 index surged 1.1% to 39,568.06 on strong gains in retailers and tourism-related stocks after Japan agreed to ease visa conditions for Chinese tourists. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 26th.